Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by finding the source. Open Settings and inspect apps for anything recently installed or updated. Tap each suspect and review permissions. Ads often come from apps with overlay or notification access. Once done, force stop and uninstall the most suspicious apps. If you prefer a second opinion, install a trusted ad detector and scan. It flags apps that generate pop-ups or notifications. Make sure to note apps that request draw over other apps and notification access, because those are frequent ad vectors. Next, you change system and browser defenses so ads can't return. Go to Notifications and revoke push permission for any app showing ads, and remove draw over other apps access if present. Enable Play Protect in the Play Store and update Google Play services and Chrome to close vulnerabilities. In your browser, clear cache, disable pop-ups, block third-party cookies, and enable safe browsing. Doing these steps reduces both targeted and intrusive ads by cutting off their delivery channels and limiting tracking. Finish by restarting your device to stop lingering processes and then reinstall only vetted apps from trusted developers. Monitor behavior for 48 to 72 hours. If ads persist, enable a system-wide DNS ad blocker or a reputable ad blocking app for additional protection. If nothing else works, back up your data and perform a factory reset to remove hidden malware. Troubleshooting tip: if ads return after reinstalling a specific app, avoid that app and contact the developer. Repeated return usually means.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.